I got some deliveries, and this time it is from Mark's Deep Dish Pizza. Mark's Deep Dish Pizza is exclusively delivered through LEB Delivery. So yes guys, wala pa nakibaw tanan natong Sugbo Mercado favorites, makita na gyud nato sa LEB Delivery app. And what we are having now is one of the most saleable karon sa LEB Delivery, ang Mark's Deep Dish Pizza. O ngano gitawag siya og deep dish because kani nga pizza grabe kabaga gyud ang iyahang topping, or mura na gyud siya one dish in one slice. Try to imagine ani kabaga, dili ni siya dough kundi Italian sausage, pepperoni, ham, white onions, black olives, mushroom, bell pepper, mozzarella, Parmesan, and of course ang red sauce. You can have this 16-inch pizza for 1,599, which is good already for 10 to 12 people. But actually it could be more because sa iyang kasiksik pwede pag yun mo siya ipakat into smaller slices. And for that mga rita guys, wala ko kapangagdan no, kay wala lang na overwhelm kay ko pag open ako ganahan na gyudayon kay kumukaon. I don't like to say this pero kung i-compare na ko siya na mura gyud siya lasagna nga nasa ibabaw sa pizza. So grabe gyud siya ka feeling, makabusog gyud siya, mura di ka makahurot sa one slice. And para mas complete gyud ang ilahang meal, if ever you order one box na kay free nga soda. Yes guys, we have to agad kumukaon gatag pizza, mas perfect gyud kung naatay cola nga pares. And since nakainom na, ready na for the next slice, bitaw grabe, murag busog na kayo ko pero padayon dyan ako kaon. But then again guys, always remember to eat in proper proportions and to brush your teeth after eating. And lastly, to follow me on all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye bye.